If you want to build wealth, you have to become a minimalist. You will live a life of abundance later in life, but for now, you have to work for it. So what is minimalism? This is the art of owning only what adds value to you and to your loved ones and leaving the rest. It's the freedom from the passion to own it right now to things don't buy happiness. Imagine one day it's not even going to matter. Believe it when I tell you, one day it's not even going to matter. Stop the rush. Just hang on a sec. Just slow it down a bit. Because if you think deeply about it, when you want to buy something very, very importantly, quick, like I gotta have it, I wanna have it, I must have it, my God, I need it. Usually, it's because you want to impress somebody or to paint a picture. Why fake what can be real? Why do you want to fake what can be real? Just remove yourself from the burden of feeling like you must do it and just do what is necessary. List down the most valuable aspects of your life and then allow your income to fund those. Allow your income to be matched with what is very valuable to you. When you live a minimalist life, you create a deficit or a balance if you must. That balance is what, when put in the market, begins to multiply and create that future that you're looking for. I want to liberate you today from the sense that you have to have it to the knowledge that that thing is not going to bring you joy. It's not going to bring you happiness. Once you get there, you will want something else. You will want something else. But I've lived a little bit long, not too long, but I know that in the end, you will get to do those things comfortably. And at that particular time, money won't matter. You will not feel the pain. But right now, if you try to do that thing, you won't even sleep because it will give you pain. And the word of God says that the blessing of the Lord maketh rich and addeth no sorrow with it. Anything you possess that is giving you sorrow, it probably was not the right time. And that's a relative statement I've made there. All matters held constant. So minimalism is about owning only what adds value to you. And how good is that? Just having just enough. And what are the benefits of minimalism? Number one, less clutter. Your house will have more space. Your car will have more space. Have you ever opened somebody's boot and you found like 100 shoes and you're wondering, oh my goodness, can they sell some? You'll have space. Your living room will have space. Your bedroom will have space. Your kitchen will have space. There will be space in the garage. In your compound, there will be space. Number two, improved finances. Because once you stop buying clutter, then you'll have more money to save. For sure. And I know here I may not be qualified to talk about this, but I'm just going to highlight. For people who have children, it's really hard. But the hard things are the ones that get us ahead. I know that sense of feeling like because my child needs it, I have to get it. Even for your children, list down what is very important, very necessary, and prioritize so that you don't get yourself being pushed on the edge because some other children in school have it and your baby must have it. But like I said, I'm not specialist on that one. I'm just saying have some control. Number three, more time for what matters. We keep thinking that and I discussed this with a couple of friends. We keep thinking that our brain is unlimited. No, if you fill it with so much stuff, that's where we now start getting stressed, because you've stretched your mind with so many things. Jack of all trades, master of none. Find the things that are important so that you create time for them. And the ones that don't matter, don't do it because everybody's doing it. Number 4, you are able to let go of the past. Try clearing your closet today. Things that you have not worn for the last 6 months to 1 year, just get rid of them. Give somebody, bless somebody. People have 15 perfumes. Good Lord, I think 2 are enough. One strong one for when you want to slap people with your presence, and another one where you just want to smell fresh, speaking like a lady. But even for men, I think the people who suffer most with this whole cluttering thing, and don't stone me, my fellow women, is us, because we are multifaceted, our minds are full of, many spaces that we can put so many things. So the same way your mind is the way your space begins to look. But if you try, you can start letting go of the past. You probably won't go back to that size that you were when you were 21. I know. I look at my photos 15 years ago and I'm like, oh God. But now, as I grow older, I've started letting go of the fact that I can be that size again, and the things that I can't fit anymore, I gotta let them go. So I'm speaking to you and speaking to myself. Declutter, so that you can be able to let go of the past. A ring that you were bought by somebody who, I had one of my favorite counselors and speakers saying last week that the women, we have a way of holding on to the seed long after the sower disappeared. That's the way God created us. But that doesn't mean we allow such things to kill us, whereby you're holding on to things of 1905. Let's release some of this. Number 5, and the last one, it helps you find peace and happiness. There's so much peace when you travel light. Whoa, that's deep. That's the statement. That is where I was going all along. Travel light, not to self. I'm actually those kind of people who pack extra because I can't seem to decide what I need in the trip and what I do not. But I'm learning. The last trip I had, I packed quite normally, not light, but at least not like the many years ago where I would have 3 suitcases of things. So those are 5 things. And let me give you a summary. The benefits of minimalism are so many, but the 5 of them: less clutter, improved finances, more time for what matters, letting go of the past, and finding peace and happiness. I'm already feeling peaceful, and that's what I'm gonna do after this. I know there is still more clutter that I need to continue letting go. I hope you've learned something. Thank you for watching. I'm urging you to please subscribe to this channel, hit the notification bell so that you're notified whenever we have a new episode, and we always do every week. And share with people who you know can benefit. These are small points. They may look very little, but if practiced over and over again, it will help you with building your empire. Once again, my name is Abby, and I deal with money, wealth creation, and I'm also a financial analyst. God bless you. See you on the next episode. Bye.